the divorce happens because when either husband or wife weighs a material situation more important than spiritual process or spiritual aim. The aim and objective of life for both husband and wife should be spiritual. That's why they are getting married. If material objective is that, then it causes the sense gratification. It means they are materialistic. Instead of worshipping for their material desires also, but very acutely, very, very strong devotion to Lakshmi Narayan, they can get liberated to satisfy those desires of their passion. They want wealth, they want having the same body like Vishnu, reside on the same planet, or just having closeness. Krishna can fulfill that desires. But when husband and wife becomes independently thoughtful and do not go through the process of an ideal family according to the Vedic authorities, instructions, then there are every chances of divorces, because they don't think anything beyond material. They can't sacrifice material life for going back home, back to Godhead. All the instructions of Narad Muni to Yudhishthira Maharaj in 7th canto of Srimad Bhagavatam about the ideal Grihastha life, it starts from the first and foremost aim of pleasing to Lord Kṛṣṇa, and therefore the instructions of the Guru is required. And third thing, that even though both of them are engaged in material activity, but then they should remain detached to the results of the work. So, in this way, when these aim and objectives are not in their agreement in married life, then divorce is surely to happen.